Next, if the roots of an equation x square plus 2cx plus ab equals to 0 are real and unequal, then the equation x square minus 2 into a plus b into x plus a square plus b square plus 2c square equals to 0 has dash roots, means real or imaginary. So what is given? Roots are real and unequal, therefore b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0, right? If they are equal, then equals to 0. Therefore let's see this. Now what is b over here? 2c. 2c square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is ab. So 2c the whole square minus 4ab equals to greater than 0. Therefore 4c square minus 4ab greater than 0. Therefore c square minus ab greater than 0. Okay, this much is clear. Now check this similarly, b square minus 4ac for the second equation. Here we don't know whether it's greater than or equal to or less than 0. We have to check. Okay, so b, capital B over here is minus 2 into a plus b, a is 1 and c is this full constant a square plus b square plus 2c square. Therefore b square minus 4ac equals to, in this, b is minus 2 into a plus b the whole square plus 4 into a square plus b square plus c square, this is 4ac. So start this, equals to, square this, 4 into a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4 into a square plus b square plus 2c square equals to, solve everything, 4a square cancelled, 4b square cancelled. So what remains? 8ab and 8c square. So 8 common, it becomes 8 into ab minus c square. But what is ab minus c square? ab minus is here. c square minus ab is greater than 0, right? Therefore c square will be greater than ab, this ab on this side. Therefore now if c square is greater than ab, then ab minus c square will be less than 0. Or here also you simply change the minus sign and the signature of greater than turns to less than. Therefore ab minus c square will be less than 0. Now ab minus c square in above is less than 0. So if ab minus c square is less than 0, it means the roots are not real, they are imaginary. Okay, so the answer is imaginary or not real roots. Download Yoga Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version.